So this is hot off the press. This is Logitech's new G PRO Superlight 2 DEX. It's hot off the press. It's basically a G703 Superlight that everyone's been waiting for. Let me show you the video from Logitech and get the pre-orders in quick because this thing is selling fast. Check this out. See what you think.
Sometimes the greatest technology doesn't feel like technology. It becomes an extension of your thoughts, tuned into the finest movements, perfectly blending to your form. Inspired by the hands of those who seek perfection. This is more than a mouse. It is an extension of you. Introducing the Logitech G PRO X Superlight 2 DEX. Designed with pros, engineered to win.
So I'll put the pre-order link in my description, but if you can get hold of one, you can try. You can see here, basically, it's a Superlight G703. It looks identical to the current Superlight 2 and Superlight, just made in a ergonomic style. Shut up, cat. Usual colors, pink and white. It's rocking the Sensor Hero 2, which means it's going to be 4K capabilities. And they're actually quoting 8K here, which is interesting to see. So maybe the new Superlight 2 can go to 8K. Did hear that. 60 grams, so it's the same weight as a Superlight 2. Pretty much a Superlight 2 in a 703 body, which is finally arrived. All my days. Take your time. Get your pre-orders in now. Link in the description. Let me know what you think. You picking up one of these puppies? I am, if I can get hold of one.